Hey everybody, in this Alegrias Falseta, it's a one compás falseta. It has a great pulgar work. I really want you to work on that hopping with that wrist. Okay, so you really want to, it's as if that thumb is like sticking out and it's all done like this rotation. Okay, we've done lots of work on that, so make sure that you look at all past material if that's a question for you, or contact me. I'll be happy to help you, okay? And I'll send you those links or whatever I can do, okay? All right, so now this particular falseta for Alegrias just goes up the major scale, the E major scale. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, and then it passes it to the F sharp, and then just doing a triplet. So you want that bounce, and then you're going to do the rest stroke bounce with the pulgar with your thumb, and then you're doing an index free stroke. So free stroke means that it's not following through. It's not going to the next string. It's just going up like this. Okay? And just very, very lightly. I tend to be a little loud with this. I shouldn't say that, but I would prefer to be a little lighter on it. Sometimes I get a little too loud and boisterous for my own personal taste. That's one thing I'm working on to make that a little bit more subtle, okay? So anyway, 88 beats per minute, enough about me. 88 beats per minute. This starts on 1, so we'll go 10, 11, 12, and then rock on, okay? Or flamenco on, okay? 10, 11, 12, and... Oops, sorry. 10, 11, 12. Okay? 10, 11, 12. So that ends on 12, and you go into the compás, but I'm going to speed it up in order to do that, okay? So I have it at 120, okay? All right. 10, 11, 12, and... There you have it. That's it. It's a great little fill. You can add it on to something else, make it an actual like falseta, but this is kind of a fill falseta. So enjoy the work. As always, let me know what questions you have. Bye-bye.